Let's learn and color with fun ABC Kids.
Hello kids, today we are going to trace the letter C using blue color. Let's get started. C is a curved line. Let's draw capital C. Curve. Capital C. Let's trace small c. Small c is a small curved line. Small c. This is capital C, small c. C for cat. Let's color the cat. We will color the cat with brown color. Let's get started. Pink color. C. Capital C, small c. C for cat. Come on kids, repeat after me. Capital C, small c. Very good. C for cat. Very good. Cat is of which color, kids? Good job. Brown color. C for cat. Brown cat. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.